Thank you for choosing the Genie Wireless Wall Console. The following will walk you through the programming process. See the description for times if you need to review specific options for programming. The Genie Wireless Wall Console comes with the following: wireless wall console and mounting hardware. Before we begin programming the wall console, we will review the buttons and indicators. First, there's the door button, which when pressed will move the door up and down. The LED will blink blue to indicate normal status. A red LED blink indicates low battery. Next is the delay button, which adds 10 plus seconds before the door begins to move. And the light button, which can be used to override the automatic timed light function of the garage door opener or to turn the light on and off at your convenience. Before beginning the programming, pull the tab to activate the wall console. The following steps will walk you through programming the wireless wall console to your garage door opener. Press and hold the programming button on your garage door opener until the round LED turns blue and then release. The round LED will go out and the long LED will begin flashing purple. Press the door button on the wall console once every 2 seconds until the door operates. Your wireless wall console is now programmed. Delay door movement. Press the door delay button to open or close the door with a 10-second delay. The garage door opener light will begin to flash 4 to 5 seconds prior to movement. Once the button is pushed, this movement can only be canceled by pressing the wireless console's door button. You can press this button up to 3 consecutive times, delaying the movement of your garage door by 10 seconds for each push, up to 30 seconds. If at any time the wall console needs to be cleared from the opener head and returned to its factory default settings, perform the following. With only one battery installed, hold down the door button while simultaneously installing the second battery. Continue to hold down the door button for a total of 10 seconds until the LED flashes 3 times, letting you know the wall console has been reset. At this time, the wall console has been cleared from the power head and restored to the factory set blink rate. The wall console is factory set with an LED blink rate of once every 3 seconds. The following will show you how to change the blink rates. To make the LED blink once every 2 seconds, with only one battery installed, hold down the light button while simultaneously installing the second battery. Continue to hold down the light button for a total of 10 seconds until the LED flashes 3 times, letting you know the wall console has been reset. To turn off the LED, with only one battery installed, hold down the delay button while simultaneously installing the second battery. Continue to hold down the delay button for a total of 10 seconds until the LED flashes 3 times, letting you know the wall console has been reset. To reset the LED to the factory default of every 3 seconds, you will have to factory reset the wall console. Should you have any questions during the programming process, please visit geniecompany.com and select the live chat or call 1-800-354-3643 and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Genie. We hope you'll like and share this video. Be sure to subscribe to the Genie channel to see future videos on new garage door openers and accessories.